Hey everyone, welcome to Heal Appeal. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to confuse burnout with laziness. But what if you're not just feeling unmotivated? What if you're actually experiencing burnout? In this video, we'll explore the top 8 signs that indicate you're burnt out, not lazy, and provide you with 4 effective strategies to treat it. So, make sure to watch till the end. From emotional exhaustion to a lack of creativity, these signs can manifest in various ways, impacting your daily life and overall well-being. Understanding these symptoms is the first step toward recovery. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed, unproductive, or just plain drained, stick around as we dive into these crucial signs and share actionable tips to help you reclaim your energy and passion. Let's get started. Number 8, decreased satisfaction. When you find that the things that once brought you joy now feel lackluster, it's a clear sign of burnout. This emotional numbness can seep into various aspects of life, from work achievements to personal hobbies. Decreased satisfaction may not be immediately noticeable. It often creeps in slowly, making it easy to dismiss as a phase. You might notice that activities you once loved, like spending time with friends or pursuing passions, now feel like chores. This lack of enthusiasm sets it apart from more acute signs of burnout, as it often leads to a cycle of disengagement. Recognizing this feeling is crucial, as it serves as a foundational indicator that something deeper may be affecting your mental health. Number 7, feeling overwhelmed. This sensation is characterized by an intense sense of pressure, where tasks seem insurmountable and responsibilities pile up like an avalanche. Feeling overwhelmed hits you like a tidal wave, making it difficult to focus or prioritize. You may find yourself struggling to complete even simple tasks, as your mind races with anxiety and self-doubt. Recognizing this feeling is essential, as it can serve as a wake-up call to reassess your workload and mental health before it spirals further. Number 6, lack of motivation. This sign manifests as a pervasive disinterest in activities that once excited you, leaving you feeling stuck in a rut. Unlike feeling overwhelmed, where the pressure is palpable, a lack of motivation feels like a heavy fog that clouds your drive and ambition. You may find it challenging to start projects or even complete daily tasks, as the spark that once fueled your enthusiasm has dimmed. It often serves as a precursor to more severe burnout symptoms, indicating that your mental reserves are running low. While other signs may involve emotional turmoil or anxiety, a lack of motivation is more about a profound disconnect from your goals and passions. Recognizing this can be the first step toward renewing your inner fire and reclaiming your zest for life. Number 5, physical symptoms. This sign encompasses a range of bodily manifestations, such as headaches, fatigue, and gastrointestinal issues that arise from chronic stress and emotional strain. Unlike a lack of motivation, which primarily affects your mental state, physical symptoms serve as a tangible reminder of your burnout. They can disrupt your daily life, making it difficult to concentrate or engage in activities you once enjoyed. Physical symptoms highlight the profound connection between mental and physical health, often signaling that your body is reacting to prolonged emotional distress. Physical symptoms are a clear wake-up call, urging you to pay attention to your well-being. Acknowledging these signs is crucial for taking proactive steps toward recovery and restoring balance in your life. Number 4, emotional exhaustion. This sign manifests as a profound sense of fatigue that seeps into your emotional core, leaving you feeling drained and unable to cope with daily challenges. Unlike physical symptoms, which may present as tangible ailments, emotional exhaustion is an invisible weight that affects your mood, relationships, and overall outlook on life. It often arises from prolonged stress and can lead to feelings of hopelessness and irritability, while directly impacting your emotional resilience and ability to engage with others. Emotional exhaustion serves as a critical indicator that your mental health needs urgent attention. Recognizing this exhaustion is essential for initiating meaningful self-care and recovery strategies. Number 3, reduced performance. This sign is characterized by a noticeable decline in your ability to complete tasks efficiently and effectively, often leading to frustration and self-doubt. Unlike emotional exhaustion, which primarily affects your feelings, Reduced performance manifests in tangible outcomes, such as missed deadlines or subpar work quality. It serves as a stark indicator that burnout is taking a toll on your productivity and creativity. This decline can create a vicious cycle where decreased performance leads to increased stress, further exacerbating your burnout. Reduced performance highlights the immediate impact of burnout on your professional and personal life. Recognizing this decline is crucial for taking proactive steps to address the underlying issues and restore your sense of accomplishment and motivation. Number 2, cynicism and detachment. This sign manifests as a pervasive sense of disillusionment, where you begin to view your work and relationships through a lens of skepticism and indifference. Unlike reduced performance, which focuses on tangible outcomes, cynicism and detachment seep into your emotional landscape, making you feel disconnected from your passions and the people around you. This mindset can lead to a toxic cycle of negativity, where you find it increasingly difficult to engage with others or feel empathy. It can severely impact your relationships and overall happiness. Cynicism and detachment serve as a critical warning that your mental health is in jeopardy, urging you to seek connection and support before it's too late. Number 1, chronic fatigue. This sign is characterized by an overwhelming and persistent sense of tiredness that doesn't improve with rest, leaving you feeling utterly depleted. Unlike cynicism and detachment, which can be emotionally driven, chronic fatigue is a physical manifestation of burnout that affects every aspect of your life. It serves as the most debilitating symptom, often making even the simplest tasks feel monumental. This profound exhaustion can cloud your thoughts, impair your decision-making, and diminish your overall quality of life. While other signs may indicate emotional or psychological distress, chronic fatigue is a clear signal that your body and mind are in crisis. Recognizing this fatigue is crucial, as it demands immediate attention and self-care to prevent further deterioration of your mental and physical health. Now let's see how we can treat burnout. Taking a break is essential for recharging both your mind and body. Scheduling regular short breaks throughout your day can significantly enhance your productivity and focus. Even just a few minutes away from your desk can help clear your mind and reduce stress. When possible, consider planning longer vacations or time off work to fully disconnect and rejuvenate. These extended breaks allow you to step away from daily pressures and gain a fresh perspective. Disconnecting from work-related tasks is crucial for mental health, as it helps prevent burnout and fosters creativity. Remember, taking time for yourself isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for maintaining balance and well-being. Establishing boundaries. Setting healthy boundaries is crucial for maintaining your well-being in both personal and professional spheres. One of the most important aspects is learning to say no to additional responsibilities that may overwhelm you. It's okay to prioritize your own needs and recognize your limits. Communicating these boundaries to colleagues and family members fosters understanding and respect, allowing you to create a supportive environment. Remember, boundaries play a vital role in achieving work-life balance, helping you to separate your professional obligations from personal time. By establishing clear limits, you can protect your mental health and ensure that you have the space to recharge and thrive in all areas of your life. Practicing self-care. Exploring self-care strategies is essential for combating burnout and enhancing your overall well-being. Engaging in activities like exercise, meditation, and pursuing hobbies can promote relaxation and help you recharge. These practices not only reduce stress, but also boost your mood and energy levels. Additionally, prioritizing sleep and maintaining a balanced diet are crucial components of self-care, as they directly impact your mental and physical health. Don't underestimate the importance of social connections. Nurturing relationships and having a support system can provide comfort and encouragement during tough times. By incorporating these self-care strategies into your routine, you can create a healthier, more balanced life that helps you effectively manage burnout. Seeking professional help. When dealing with burnout, it's important to consider seeking professional support when needed. Therapy or counseling can provide valuable tools and strategies for recovery, helping you navigate your feelings and develop coping mechanisms. A trained professional can offer a safe space to explore your experiences and guide you toward healing. Additionally, talking to a healthcare provider about your mental health is crucial, as they can assess your situation and recommend appropriate treatment options. Don't forget the power of support from trusted friends or family. Sharing your struggles with loved ones can lighten the burden and foster understanding. Remember, reaching out for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. In this video, we've emphasized how to recognize burnout and take proactive steps to address it. From identifying symptoms to establishing healthy boundaries and practicing self-care, each strategy plays a vital role in improving your mental health. Remember, it's essential to prioritize your well-being and implement these techniques in your daily life. We encourage you to take action and make these changes for a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who may benefit. Thank you for watching and take care.